First, the headlines. United Committee of 𝗵𝗀 and 𝗵𝗀 𝗍𝗏 Gram Panchayat to impose total shutdown of 𝗵𝗏 𝗵𝗀 Road if BSF battalion removed from 𝗵𝗏 village. Manipur police rescues 5 abducted individuals from different places, arrests 2 𝗵𝗡𝗡 volunteers involved in abduction, assault of 4 police personnel, and boot camp training program on assembly of obstacle-based multi-rotor UAV kicks off at Central Hall at DM College of Science. Hello. Hello, welcome to Northeast Window. This is Mary giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. The United Committee of 𝗵𝗀 and 𝗵𝗀 𝗍𝗏 Gram Panchayat has warned of indefinite shutdown of 𝗵𝗏 𝗵𝗀 Road if the government forcibly removes the 37E company of BSF post near 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗏 village. Addressing a press meet at Manipur Press Club's Thangjing Hall today, President of the committee, 𝗍𝗏𝗏 Sanjoy said, situation improved and violence appeared to have subsided since the war waged by 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 militants broke out on May 3rd last after the 37E company BSF post was set up at 𝗵𝗏𝗏. Condemning the government proposed removal of the BSF post, which has been guarding villages of 𝗍𝗏𝗏, 𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏, 𝗵𝗀 and 𝗵𝗀𝗏 village areas, he maintained that it will be evident that the government is supporting the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 in the present crisis. If it forcibly removes the BSF post from the area, as such, the people will resort to imposing indefinite total shutdown of 𝗵𝗏 𝗵𝗀 Road if the government takes up steps against the interest of the people, Sanjoy warned.
amadi leitan popida adugi mati awaba thenghang kaya ama mayonara lakre mayam hen khangbi aduga amu 𝗍𝗏 hariba kungang aduga 𝗍𝗄𝗏 leitan popi mai ba hariba jaga si kuki narco terrorist singna maina tumna thadana sakdana huji hariba ichinau sing mayam ama yamna awaba phimo amda relief camp da leiraga leiribani hariba jaga si leitan popi ga tainaraga leiriba 𝗵𝗏 hariba jaga sida ek haukiba lane horokpa matung numi kharani haiba tare matung dagi kogi mafam asida 𝗵𝗏 haiba kungang kom taba jaga kogi leitan popi hek tainari ba buffer zone ena lauthoga leiriba red zone oriba jaga sida huji leiriba kogi BSF ki 37E koi company ama khak lei haiba 37E koi BSF company si leiba dagi haiba red zone jaga sida kuki narco terrorist singna thengkhang kaya da sanga ga landana ba amadi kogi leiriba kungang singda kogi landana ba mong mayam ama tawraga lakpadu BSF ki leiriba company si leibadagi koi hariba irang si khara makhaidi shanti hanjalaga leire haiba tare adubu yamna laibak thibadi ikhang khangongdana hariba BSF 𝗵𝗏 kom tariba jaga kogi buffer zone da leiriba BSF 37E koi ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯨꯛꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯤ.ꯑꯦꯁ.ꯑꯦꯐ ꯕꯇꯥꯂꯤꯌꯟꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 3ꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯅꯥꯔꯀꯣ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯂꯣꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯤ.ꯑꯦꯁ.ꯑꯦꯐ ꯕꯇꯥꯂꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯅꯥꯈꯩ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯤ.ꯑꯦꯁ.ꯑꯦꯐ ꯕꯇꯥꯂꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ.
Manipur police yesterday arrested two miscreants belonging to Arambai Tengol who were involved in the abduction and physical assault of 4 Manipur police personnel on May 11 as per the report from Manipur police. The arrested individuals have been identified as Taibanganba Sanau aged 25 and Moirangthem Bobo, 40 years. The report said that search operations are still on to arrest the other accused persons involved in the incident. Search operations and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts during the last 24 hours between May 11 and 12. During the operations, the Manipur police also rescued 5 individuals who were abducted by unknown miscreants. On Saturday, the security forces rescued an abducted individual from 𝗷𝗏 area under Lilong police station in 𝗷𝗏 district and also arrested the abductor identified as Muhammad Sharif Khan alias Mastin, 28 from 𝗷𝗏, 𝗷𝗏 district. 19mm pistol, country-made, with 7 rounds of live ammunition and 1 two-wheeler vehicle were recovered from his possession, a report from Manipur Control Room said. Similarly, on Friday, the security forces rescued 4 individuals who were abducted by unknown miscreants from Bishnupur district at Charangpath under 𝗷𝗏 police station. The rescued individuals were later handed over to their family members. A case has been taken up for investigation, the report said. Meanwhile, one member of proscribed outfit, 𝗪𝗪, identified Asim Netaji Singh alias Neta, 40, was arrested from Ningthau on Bishnupur district yesterday. The police recovered 1 complete set of computer and mobile phone from him. He was involved in various extortion cases from the general public, government employees and business establishments, the report continued. On the other hand, movement of 42 vehicles along National Highway 2 with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 124 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 83 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. Department of Electronics, DM University in collaboration with NIE-LIT Imphal organized a 5-day boot camp training program on assembly of obstacle-based multi-rotor UAV at the Central Hall of DM College of Science today. Speaking on the occasion, Director NIE-LIT N. Debachandra stressed the growing utility of UAV and drones not only in warfare but also in various sectors such as agriculture, disaster management, commercial survey, etc. The boot camp is being organized to impart knowledge on assembling, handling, and usage of UAV and drones to participants, he further added. The camp also attended by Principal DM College of Science, Professor M. Bhubaneswari, and Head of Department of Electronics, DM College of Science, Professor C.H. Biren. CBSE
all global issue sida drone na Hawaii mama idaramba tank aircraft carrier achowa khulai sing dagi apikpa drone dagi hauraga achowa drone na mahut silakpagi matamdu almost oire ena dumaina haijage drone macha drone yam chowa drone name na paiba yam wang na paiba about 30,000 feet paiba adudagi pung kun hena paiba maya mama koitar si marak sida drone ki utility se koina de land conflict sigi oina ran khanba aduna tabada atopa hiram singba drone ki application ayam le commercial dagi horaga agriculture dagi horaga adudagi khogi survey dagi horaga anywhere koina khalu from da do drone ki chanabam le sidi mayam do khanna ro famne
CBSE Class 10 and 12 results are available at the official website, that is cbsesults.nic.in and cbse.gov.in. CBSE will be issuing the merit certificate to the top 0.1% of students who have scored the highest marks in the subjects. This year's percent is 87.98%, which is 0.65% higher than previous year's 87.33%. Of the 16,33,730 students registering for the CBSE Class 12 exams this year, as many as 16,21,224 students appeared. Of them, 14,26,420 students passed the exams. For Class 10, a total of 2,12,384 students, which is 9.49%, have scored 90% and above, which is an increase from last year's 1,95,799. Another 47,983 students have scored 95% and above, which is also an increase from 44,297 candidates in 2023. Distilled indigenous country liquors and foreign liquors estimated to be worth 4 lakh rupees seized by a team of excise enforcement team Bishnupur district along with Bishnupur police from different places of Bishnupur district were destroyed by setting on fire. The liquors seized by the joint team during crackdown on selling and use of liquors in connection with the 18th Lok Sabha elections during destroyed in front of the public in presence of media persons. OC Bishnupur Excise Station and Nodal Officer, Excise Bishnupur District, SI Oinam Surjit, OC Nambol Excise Station, SI Thokchom Manoranjan, OC Excise Station Moirang, SI Moirang Them, Kanghai Kanhai, and women of the area were present on the occasion. Speaking to media, SI Oinam Surjit said the seized liquors were destroyed with permission from Commissioner of Excise under Section 69 of Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act of 1991. Director of Smart Security Service, GENIMS, 𝐿𝗵𝐵 𝐷𝗀𝐻𝐷𝗀 has clarified that Smart Security Service has no requirement of security personnel at RIMS and JENIMS as of now. He said this in response to a press statement released by KCP MC Unification yesterday, alleging of taking advantage of signing power of attorney with Smart Security Service founder and collected a huge amount of money from 350 people in the name of providing security jobs at RIMS, even though SSS agency currently handles security at JENIMS. Addressing a press meet held at Manipur Press Club's Thangjing Hall today, 𝐷𝗀𝐻𝐷𝗀 said the Smart Security Service earlier had initiated process for recruitment of security personnel at RIM, but it had been halted. As for JENIMS, there had been a recruitment process and some money had been collected from the job seekers. However, currently, there is no recruitment process, 𝐷𝗀𝐻𝐷𝗀 clarified. As such, he appealed to the people to not threaten or intimidate staff of Smart Security Service and invited those concerned to come to their office if they need or want to talk regarding the same. Let's now
Handaki ngarang okigi new channel amata thenaba adugi matang tu daina wafam khara cheduk chagi madudi huji maki oina di okigi recruitment tawbal laitre mama da agi phamdi ran tawro khona bada mi awa pa leirasu mama da di tawgi le du huji maki oina di recruit tawbal laitre aduga mathanga paisa aina recruitment gi matang gi da range ki na thara te gi di moki range ki poti law dragasu agency na process tawbada mayangi khara collect ki bati le du huji ke na amta law dre thabu to totally fail tawbal le kre aduga range ki aina security gi matanga ministry gi da gi process tawraga incomplete oi bani na thabu ti mamedi mayam da aduna de na haidar le kra kana haidar aduga process tam di tawgi incomplete oi dre wa khatane.
Let's have a short commercial break.
Step into a world of endless possibilities with 18 dynamic faculties and 180 plus courses. Unlock your potential with industrial-ready training and placements. SGT University, empowering tomorrow's leaders.
Welcome back. In a novel act of respect, the 32nd Band CRPF erected statues of the 3 martyred soldiers of the battalion in the respective schools where they studied. The statues erected were those of Muhammad Abbas Khan of Quetta at Anita Standard English School, Shahid Norain of Moirang at Moirang Oksongbung Upper Primary School, and Shahis Dangmei Stephen at Gracie English School, Loktak. Floral tributes were also paid to the martyred soldiers by all ranks of the battalion, along with their family members.
Headquarter location dagina kilometer amakhaktang ngairingai tathokanda sanbai sida hanadagi planted tawra thamamba IED improvised explosive device ama akoigi anti national elements sing na phumba thamamba adu matam adu da moina headquarter de kilometer ma heksa kibaga okhai ki blast doki haiba adu chawraba blast adu gi impact na asokapan loinana jawan singna hawai thaki matam khudimakta utkiba thonga lingje adubu horak liba matam asigi nahasingi mafamda nising purama gi mami oina Martyrs sculpture statue ama 32 battalion se beki magi degi mayam punumaki mafamda sinajaba.
Former President of Hockey India, 𝐺𝐸𝐸, a resident of 𝐶𝐢𝐯 Zone 2, Imphal East District, has been appointed as the advisor of Global International Martial Arts Federation. The GIMF sent him the certificate of membership, appointing him as the advisor yesterday, that is, the 12th of May. GIMF is a non-government organization registered in India, certified by ISO and supported by NITI Aayog, NGO Darpan and Fit India. It represents more than 65 countries and speaks about and spreads unity, friendship, brotherhood amongst all in general and sports lover specifically. President of 𝗷𝗵𝐴 𝐿𝐴 𝐷𝗵𝐿 Nando has stressed the need to follow the footsteps of the forefathers and protect their memorial sites in order to save one's community and the motherland. He was speaking to media persons on the sidelines of a cleanliness drive at the graveyard of 𝗷𝗵𝐴, father of erstwhile King Churachan at Lalang village in Assam's 𝐾𝐻𝑎𝑟 district today. The cleanliness drive was jointly organized by 𝐾𝐻𝑎𝑟 United Club Organization, 𝐾𝐻𝑎𝑟 Arambai Tengol Unit 50, people of Lalang village and 𝗷𝗷𝐴 𝐿𝐴. Speaking further, 𝐻𝐻𝑎𝑚 Nando expressed deep disappointment at seeing the deplorable condition of the memorial site when they first visited on May 7 and termed it extremely unfortunate that the memorial sites of the forefathers cannot be properly looked after. He further emphasized the need to also develop the site, stating that 𝐾𝐻𝑎𝑟 had been a refuge for the forefathers in times of war, including the 7 years devastation. Nando asserted that the history of Manipur would be incomplete without 𝐾𝐻𝑎𝑟.
Madugi saruk amo oina akoi hogiba andaki tang taret sida afam sida lakon tamda hariba Churachan Maharaj ki mapai bungo 𝗍𝗵𝐴 ongko moiba ahum asi yengo tanda aduki matik thamoida shopa nuaitaba madugi khoyang ba khoi phau karigin haibabu akoi iramdan kamdorebri ipa kanoi yati kan dawribni di akhadri phaujaba adubu akoi laioi khaba ipa ipusi mongpham bauta akoina luna nana thamma ngamjadaba adubu kanma ngamjadaba haibse akoi si atuba jati sina atuba mi sina kari khanangdage habi wakhallondo akoi da phawri madur marum oiraga akoi hanan duki system nejarapa United Club Organization da hajaraga masigi jebtan yamna mona ta chu khara sak thona singdo ko yana bi lambi simtan yamina si haibu wahumdo kamjara matungda masigi Arambai Tengol 𝗾𝐻𝑎𝑟 unit loinana unit 50 loinana lalangi ipai cha sing United Club Organization gi thobure myam sing ga loinana hom si asi.
Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. United Committee of Pukhao and Making Dolai-Thabi Gram Panchayat to impose total shutdown of Imphal-Pukhao Road if BSF battalion removed from Purum village. Manipur police rescues 5 abducted individuals from different places, arrests 2 Arambai Tengol volunteers involved in abduction, assault of 4 police personnel. And boot camp training program on assembly of obstacle-based multi-rotor UAV kicks off at Central Hall of DM College of Science. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.